PDD stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this brief and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. PDD, well, it's sitting at 119, and you can see previously I was very open-minded for longs. Look, I'm the only person in this guy in this space with 40,000 videos made. It's taken me 5 years, and in those 40,000 videos I've seen what's making me money and what's not. You cannot fake effort, that's what I'm saying. And I've spent tens of thousands on courses and mentors. Now literally here, I did see the price kind of catch the idea that it's actually kind of all over the place here, and that's fine. It's gonna happen. The real bullishness that I'm gonna see is a shift above 125 and onward, not just once but in a sort of a double break manner. And if that does not quite happen, then I guess I'm not gonna be buying here. And look, that is totally fine. Like, the last thing I'm doing is randomly getting involved. So PDD, I have a lot of doesn't show in the Discord, but there's a lot of receipts in my YouTube channel that I've kind of covered. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month with indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.